Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with Regions Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To configure a credit card with Regions Bank, start by visiting the Regions Bank website. Locate the Personal tab on the home page. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select credit cards from the menu options. On the credit cards page, review the available credit card options. Choose the card that best suits your needs. Click on the card option to view more details. Read through the features, benefits, and terms listed for that card. Once you've made your choice, click the Apply Now button. You will be redirected to the online application form. Fill in your personal information, including your full name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment details, including your income and employer information. Enter your contact information, such as your phone number and email address. Review your information to ensure accuracy before moving on. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message. Wait for the approval notification via email or through the online portal. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few business days. Activate your card as soon as you receive it by following the instructions included with the card. Log into your Regions Bank online banking account. Navigate to the card section to manage your credit card settings. Here, you can set up automatic payments, alerts, and spending limits. Regularly monitor your transactions to stay on top of your credit card activity. For any issues, contact Regions Bank customer service for assistance. Congratulations, you are now configured and ready to use your Regions Bank credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.